This is Shamim from Schmetz needle. We are producing the sewing machine needle. The company origin from Germany. We are the world oldest sewing needle company. So we are. Our slogan is like anyone looking for perfect seam, they should come to us, and whoever is looking for the quality, they should come to us. Nowadays, our Bangladesh market, this trade is actually evolving with higher quality products. So we are getting good response because as per our slogan, we give the perfect seam. So the quality is high. So this is the about us. And what we do here, like if any factories, any garments, they are having any issues with the sewing, they can contact us. So we go over their factories, we give trials, give needle recommendations as per the styles, and we also work with the buying houses. We teach them how the products are getting with upper qualities, new inventions, you can say. So this is the thing we do. So whoever wants to have perfect seam, better quality products, ultimate quality products, they should look for Schmetz needle. Innovation, it's always day to day. The development is running, R&D is running every day. So whenever we are innovations actually coming from the field, like if you are facing any problem, you contact us, we will find the solution. So it is always running, and this is a company like 170 years. So we are the pioneer. So we are actually developing new technologies depending on the problem market is facing, because you know, needle can sew. Any needle you can sew, but to get a perfect seam or the problem, to overcome the problem, we always this R&D is going on. So any problems coming, definitely the new technology always come with us first. Normally day one we get limited response, but this time day one also good. Yesterday was also good, and today we are expecting a big crowd, and still started. It's going on. Hope that because you know, last 3 years we are not having this fair, so people were actually hungry for the show. So it's good. It's having good.